Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and ZIP packing or unpacking app on Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. And to do this, you'll need to launch your Google Play Store. Inside, try to find app called RAR. It's RAR. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it, grant its all file access, dismiss this notification, and the app will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.